Welcome to Arabic for Beginners. Are you looking for the easiest way to learn Arabic from scratch? You are in the right place. Our channel is dedicated to providing simple, fun, and effective Arabic lessons for non-native speakers. Whether you want to master modern standard Arabic, MSA, or practice daily Arabic conversation, we've got you covered. We focus on helping you speak Arabic fluently, improve your Arabic pronunciation, and build a strong vocabulary through step-by-step Arabic tutorials. Why subscribe to our channel? Learn Arabic online for free with clear explanations. Comprehensive Arabic language course for vocabulary, grammar, and reading. Practical tips to speak Arabic fast and with confidence. Don't miss out. Subscribe now, hit the notification bell, and start your journey to mastering the Arabic language today. Rock on!
Bismillah, ir-Raḥmān, ir-Raḥīm. In the name of Allah, the most compassionate, the most merciful. This phrase has 4 words. Each word has a beautiful and deep meaning. 1. Bism, bismi, in the name of. Bi means with, by, or seeking help. Ism means name. When Muslims say Bismillah, they begin their work by remembering Allah and asking for His help. Simple meaning, I do not depend only on myself. I ask Allah to help me and guide me. 2. Allah, Allahi. Allah is the name of the one and only God. He is the creator of everything. He is perfect. He has all the beautiful names and perfect qualities, such as the Most Merciful, the All-Wise, the All-Forgiving, the Provider. Simple meaning, I turn to Allah because He created everything, and only He deserves my worship and trust. 3. Ir-Raḥmān, ar-Rahmani, the most compassionate. Ar-Raḥmān means Allah's mercy is very great. His mercy reaches everyone, people, animals, believers, non-believers, all living things. He gives life, food, and many blessings to everyone.
Simple meaning, no matter what I have done, Allah's mercy is greater than my mistakes. 4. Ar-Raḥīm, ir-Raḥīmi, the most merciful. Ar-Raḥīm means Allah's mercy never stops. He forgives, guides, protects, and cares for His servants every day. Simple meaning, Allah's mercy is always with me in this life and in the hereafter. The complete meaning, Bismillah ir-Raḥmān ir-Raḥīm means I begin in the name of Allah. I ask Him for help. I trust Him. He is the most compassionate and the most merciful. Muslims say this phrase before many daily activities because it reminds them to remember Allah, ask for His help, trust Him, hope for His mercy, seek His blessings.
If you mean what are the letters that make up the phrase Bismillah ir-Raḥmān ir-Raḥīm, they are as follows. Bism, ba, sin, mim. Allah, alif, lam, lam, ha. Ar-Raḥmān, alif, lam, ra, ha, mim, noon. Ar-Raḥīm, alif, lam, ra, ha, ya, mim.
Bismillah ir-Raḥmān ir-Raḥīm. Bismillah ir-Raḥmān ir-Raḥīm. Bismillah ir-Raḥmān ir-Raḥīm.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. 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 بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.